Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video is on how to download and install the spinning tracker app on your mobile phone, which helps to manage your money well and make progress towards your goals. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you. Firstly, make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now, open Play Store or Apple Store and search for Spinning Tracker. You can see the app here, Spending Tracker, take control of your money. Click on the download arrow to download. It will take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet connection. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to open it. Click on the allow button to get notification from Spending Tracker. Now, this application is ready to use. Use it and manage your expenses. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.